Hey everyone, Raj from Best Off-Road. Welcome to the Off-Road Invasion Tour. We're here at Cars and Coffee. We're going to be here every single month, the first Saturday of the month. We hope everybody will join us.
Oh, you did paint,
Hey, Ranch here with Best Off-Road. I want to show you this really badass 392. It's got Curry 70s under it for the axles. That supports 42-inch Mickey Baja Boss tires on Method V-Lock wheels. Worn winch, worn bumper, rock slide engineering, rock sliders. It's just a beautiful, badass rig.
Hey guys, my name's Diego, also known as JK Natty. This is my 2013 Jeep Wrangler build, and it's built to this. I've had this thing since I was 18 years old, bone stock, and I built it to where it's at now. You know, rocking some really great brands. I got some KMC wheels, one-ton axles, custom roll cage, RPM 3-link suspension, stretched 9 inches, and some great armor underneath for protection, R-Tech, moto built, the whole nine. So yeah, love the build.
Hi you guys, it's Skylar here, and this is Mr. GB. Mr. GB is super sick. He is part of all the Best Off-Road everything, so whenever you come to bestoffroad.com, you will most likely always see him here. I'm super excited. I've got 1-ton axles, Terraflex. I've got my amazing Torx bumper. This thing I swear by, it is so durable. Oh, I've got my Method wheels, feedlock. And then also you guys should see one of my favorite things. It's definitely my Nacho lights. But the cool thing is I have a whole custom light bar done. This is done by Torx. And then the pod lights on top are Nacho. These are Nacho. As you can tell, I love the Best Off-Road and I love Torx, and I'm always down to always have whatever their newest product is.
My name's Bob Pratt. I'm in my 86th year of life. Actually, I've had my 86th birthday. This is my TJ, and this is probably my very best friend. It's beautiful, it's built, and I would rather be running around in this than any one of these sleek Italian jobs.
Hey, this is Geraldine Anderson. I have a shop next door to Best Off-Road. We do silkscreen embroidery. We help sponsor all their events, and this is my sick rig. Some of the key features that I really like is we have the ARB bumper with the Terraflex toe. I've got the black Rhinos with the 37-inch Toyos on it. Hoping to add a few really fun features with working with Best Off-Road. I can't wait.
Hi, I'm Troy Hatto. This is my wife Donnell. This is our Jeep built by Best Off-Road. We have a 3.5-inch lift on 40s. Gonna be 4.5-inch next week. We run the Torx bumpers front and rear, Torx winch, Nemesis inner fenders, fender top, anti-rock front on the front, RPM suspension on the front, Nacho lights on the front. Go down to Best Off-Road, check it out. They do a great job. Their customer service is off the charts.
I'm Braden. This is my 2016 4Runner. It's on rear long travel right now, which is really fun. I just moved out here to Utah not even a year ago. Best Off-Road's helped me a lot with this thing. Custom headlights from a dude down in St. George. It's been a lot of fun. It's fun in the desert, man. It's a good time. Dirt Therapy Overland. Check us out on Instagram.
Hi, my name is Weston. I'm here to talk about my Jeep a little bit, some of my favorite parts of it. We just put on new Curry axles. They're the Curry 70s, which I really love. We decided this year to change to 42-inch Mickey Baja Boss, which are going to be amazing for us. I have not gotten this out. Next thing up is going to be an Atlas transfer case, and we'll be on our way.
Hi, I'm Alex. This is my 2021 Jeep Gladiator Eco Diesel. This is my dog. Most people know me for her. Is Aspen. I love this thing. It's a combination. I do a lot of overlanding and rock crawling. I've got a rooftop tent on the back, but probably my favorite stuff is all my Torx gear. I have a Torx front bumper with a 4-gallon air tank in it, my winch, my rear bumper, and then the integrated air system into the frame. Super helpful. But having an eco diesel is really nice because I get good gas mileage. And then I have also the ability to really slow crawl with lots of torque, same as a 392. Super happy to have Torx be the main sponsor of the Jeep and have everything Torx on it, which is super nice.
Yeah, I'm Bruce Huntington with Utah Off-Road. I'm the president of Utah Off-Road. I founded it about 8 years ago. It's a popular Facebook group. We do a lot of advocating for off-road trail preservation. Proud customer of Best Off-Road. They've done a lot of work on my Jeep. We got some RPM 3-link suspension, anti-rock sway bars, Artec inner fenders. We got the Nemesis fenders, UD60s front and rear, 40 Mickey Thompsons, and I love it. It's a 2018.
Hey, it's Skylar Zamaloa and Casey Lee. So this is our other amazing vehicle. This is our 20th edition 392. This thing is so sick. We have actually something super exciting happening in the next few months. Can't tell you yet. But this is Casey Jeep. Can you tell you a little bit about what current products he has on it?
Yep, so I'm currently rocking the Torx bumper and winch. I got the Falcon coilovers. Yeah, rocking 40-inch tires. There is some big changes coming soon. So keep in mind, come the Best Off-Road for any of your off-road needs. So.